Hi, Steve Weavers here, creator of the Imaging Whiteboard. This video is going to look at some of the audio capabilities of the Imaging Whiteboard. You can see here we've got an input control which is takes its input from a camera and a microphone. We can see the image coming up obviously, but let's take a look at the audio that's coming out. So we'll just bring up the audio info control and just open up the view and look at that, and we can see the audio there bouncing around quite happily. Now from this we can see that we've got an audio video control which is a blue outline, an audio control with a green outline, and just a plain video control with a black outline. Let's move this over a bit here. Let's put this here. And I think to look at some of the details of the audio capabilities, we'd be better off looking at some signals from the audio signal generator. So let's just take a look at some of that. Let's pull up say a sine wave, a square wave, and just join that up to there, so that we can see what we've got there, and we can change the frequency of the sine wave and so on. I'm going to just look at the left channel here just to keep it simple. Let's take that down. Okay, and if we want a bit more information about what's going on, we can take a look at the spectrum here, which is just a straight FFT. Let's take a look there. We can see there's a, let's just look again at the left channel just for simplicity. So you can see it's just a single point there because it's a sine wave. If we change the frequency, it'll kind of move along. That's pretty much what we expect. To change this to a square wave, we can see a slightly more complex frequency, and again reduce it, and it bounces down, and that's all pretty much what you might expect. Let's close this for now and bring this over here. What I'm going to take a look at now is some white noise, and we can see from the spectrum that pretty much fills the spectrum, which is what you'd expect from white noise. I'm going to take a look now at some of the audio processing tools, particularly say the low pass filter. Lose it, yeah, there it is. Okay, and also the high pass filter. Okay, and we'll take a look at those individually for now. So let's take the test signal to the low pass filter. Oh, move them up there. Okay, and open that up and look at the output there, and we can see there's not much. The cutoff frequency is pretty low. Let's start moving this around. We can see that as we increase the cutoff frequency, we eventually get back to the full spectrum. So let's just move it down to somewhere here, and we're going to take a similar look at the high pass filter. Okay, and again let's start moving that. We can see that as we move the cutoff frequency up, we start cutting out the lower frequencies until we've only got very few high frequencies left. So let's take that down again there. And if we go through the low pass and the high pass filter, then you've got something akin to a band pass filter, as you might expect. The audio controls will only process audio, they'll actually pass video straight through them, and also the video controls will not process the audio, they'll process the video and then pass the audio straight through them. It's pretty much what you want. So you can mix and match audio and video processing in the same whiteboard quite comfortably, and everything will probably go just the way you expect. Let's see. Let's see, I think that's probably all there is. Just a quick preview of what's coming up on the next one. There are the usual audio video input tools that you can see, from camera, microphone, audio, video file that you'd expect. But also we've got a couple of more specialized controls so that we can get videos from YouTube or from a TiVo that's on the local network. And this will be the subject of the next video. But that's all for this one.